How to turn on mobile data on Android phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can turn on the mobile data for your Android device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your settings application. Then at this page, tap onto connections. Tap onto data usage and toggle on the option of mobile data. It will access the internet through your mobile network. Make sure that you have set your SIM to this mobile network. Just in case you would like to turn on data saver, here is what you can do. Here is an option of ultra data saving mode. Tap onto it and toggle it on. As you do so, background data will be automatically blocked for all the apps by default, but you can still allow specific apps to use it. And this is how you can save the data and turn on your mobile data. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will get back to you soon.